Breaking news just coming in. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will now be opposing LG's decision of imposing mandatory institutional quarantine for COVID positive cases in DDMA meeting this afternoon. Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia has said, and I quote, "It is not practical. People will not come out for testing," unquote. That's the latest coming in right there. Delhi Chief Minister going to be opposing LG's decision of imposing mandatory institutional quarantine for COVID positive cases in the DDMA meeting this afternoon. That's the latest that's coming in. Ashutosh, my colleague, is breaking the story. He's now joining us live for the very latest. In just about a bit, he will be with us, but that's the latest coming in. Remember, after this particular order, Delhi Chief Minister did mention that he was not consulted, and there were questions being raised on the healthcare facilities and whether they will be able to handle so many patients. There were many questions being raised on the back of this order as well. Ashutosh is now joining us with a breaking story. Ashutosh, very pertinent questions coming out of the institutional quarantine that the MHA has made it mandatory, and the LG's decision is one, the healthcare facilities, and how much are we going to overburden the healthcare facilities and the healthcare staff as well. We have limited ones, cases are rising, and the second thing is that this was in line with the ICMR guidelines that home quarantine was something that was advised. At the same time, people perhaps may not just even come out to test knowing that they will be quarantined for 5 days in a government facility, Ashutosh.
Well, Jyoti, just a couple of minutes ago, I spoke to Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, right?
I spoke to Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia right before this meeting scheduled this afternoon with the Lieutenant Governor. So what I'm told that the government is going to oppose the decision taken by the Lieutenant Governor, which the government sources says it is arbitrary in nature and even against the ICMR guidelines which are applicable across the country. So what the Deputy Chief Minister and the Delhi government is asking, the ICMR guidelines say that asymptomatic and mild cases should be treated at home under home quarantine. Why the decision is not being imposed in the Delhi other than the decision taken by the Lieutenant Governor? But the biggest question is about the feasibility and how practical the solution is, looking at the number of cases that are rising in the national capital, and since last few days it is almost 3,000 every day, and we have 10,400 and some 90 cases which are under home quarantine. So if these cases are rise further, and also those who are kept under quarantine, where they will be kept as far as institutional quarantine centers are concerned, are these 500 railway coaches which are absolutely like roasted oven in this 43-degree temperature, will they be really useful? And how will the medical practitioners, the doctors, medical staff will take care of those COVID patients? There are hall, banquet hall, hotels, but are they really practical to keep these number of the COVID positive cases? As remember, Delhi government already said that cases by July are going to be 5 million.
Absolutely, and with those 5 million cases as well, questions now arising on whether the hospitals, quarantine centers, hotels in Delhi will be able to accommodate these COVID positive patients in 5-day mandatory quarantine as well. In fact, Ashutosh, stay with us right there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.